Hello children, welcome back to Rini ma'am's class. Today something interesting here for you. And what it is, we are going to learn about the format of writing formal letter. Right? We write letter, isn't it? Have you ever written letter to your friend, to your principal? No? Okay, so we are going to learn how to write it. Before that, what is letter? It's a written messages conveyed from one person to another, generally via post. We write the letter and we post it, and it is received to the person whom we write it. Actually, the letter is the communication in written forms. There are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter we write to business class or some professional purpose, and the language is simple. An informal letter, it's a personal communication with our friends, relatives, so the language is casual and it has some emotional tone too. So how many types of letter? Formal and informal. Formal letter is written to the business class people or professional purpose. We write this letter and the language is simple. Informal letter we write to our friends, relatives or anybody with whom we have a special bonding, and the language is casual and the tone is emotional. Now, how to write a formal letter? What is the format? So let us learn the format first. We have 8 steps to write the formal letter. First is we write the sender's detail without name, only address. Then we write the date. After that we write receiver's detail with name and address. Then we write the subject. What is the letter about? What is the reason we are writing this letter? So subject. Then we have salutation, respected ma'am, dear ma'am or sir. Then we have the body of the letter, the actual message. Then 7th is complimentary close or subscription. Then 8th is sign and name. We put the signature first and we write the name. Once again I'll repeat. Sender's detail. First we write the sender's detail without name, only address. Then we leave a line and write the date. Then we leave a line and write the receiver's detail, name and address both. Then we leave a line and write the subject. What is the letter about? Then again we leave a line and the salutation. Then we leave a line and write the body of the letter. Then we leave a line and write the subscription or complimentary clause. And then we leave a line and write and put a initial signature and then below that name. So is it confusing? So I have a trick for you to remember this format, and it is you have to remember this sentence. Seema decided to ring Sasha and Samira both to come for shopping. So who is Seema, who is Sasha and who is Samira? They all are friends, but the thing is that we have to remember the bold capital letters of these full sentence, like Seema S. So first sender's detail, decided D for date, and ring R for receiver's detail. Then Sasha is for subject, Samira is for salutation, body B for both, body. Then complimentary clause, come, and then shopping. You have to remember the signature and name. So with this sentence, you will remember the whole format. Seema decided to ring Sasha and Samira both to come for shopping. I hope it is easy for you to remember the format. When you write the letter, you can write the sentence and you can understand what to write and how to write the format. Isn't it? I hope it is clear. Now we'll proceed. The body of the letter consists of three parts. First paragraph is the introduction, purpose of the letter. Then we have the main content. Second paragraph is the main content. Then the third paragraph is the summary. So the first paragraph is the introduction, purpose of the letter. Second paragraph is the main content. And the third paragraph is the summary. So to understand better, I have one example here. Its a question is, write a letter to the principal for permission to participate in the International Youth Festival to be held in Bangalore. So first we write Seema, sender's detail, then decided, date, to ring, then the receiver's address, Sasha, subject, Samira, respected sir or madam, then both, body of the letter written in 3 paragraphs, introduction, content, main content and the summary. And then shopping, yours faithfully, signature and the name in brackets. So in this way we are going to write the letter. Now we come down to the homework. Write a letter to your principal for permission to start a nature club in your school. This is your homework. You have to write down it in your English thin notebook, 100 pages notebook. So thank you students. I hope you have understood the format of the formal letter. Be safe, be healthy, take care.